Hello, Simon.
Hello.
Welcome to Marbella. Welcome to Roches and the Sutus Summit. And I would like to ask you, Axiom space. Which is the difference between your company and other solution for traveling on space?
Okay, so Axiom Space does two things primarily. Firstly, we are building the world's first commercial space station. We're in construction now. We're the only company in the world that's
Where?
The headquarters is in Houston in the US, but we are building our space station in a combination between Italy and the United States. So right now the outside piece that's going to hold all the air in is being built in Italy. And then that's
Italy where?
In Torino.
Okay,
And
I'm
then-
Italian, so
Perfecto. And it's going to be sent from there. When that's ready, it's going to be sent to Houston. And then that's where we install all the life support systems and the propulsion systems and everything we need to keep the station safe and ready for humans. So we're building that at the moment. That's going to be attached to the International Space Station, which makes it very unique. We're the only private space station or commercial space station that has that opportunity to be part of the ISS. And we're going to keep expanding and expanding until about 2028 to 2030. At that point, when the ISS is ready to retire, then we can detach and we can move all the experiments that are happening at the moment aboard the International Space Station over to our side, over to our commercial space station, or we can keep the research going.
Okay.
So that's one part of our business. The second part is sending up what we refer to as private astronaut missions. So this is astronauts who are either private individuals who wish to go up and explore space, or governments who may not currently have access to the International Space Station, or even if they do currently have access, maybe they don't have enough access. They'd like to be sending more astronauts there. Or, and this is where it gets interesting, maybe some commercial companies as well. So some enterprises out there who may find it appealing for whatever reason to send up an astronaut that represents their brand or conducts research on behalf of their particular company. So I suppose one of the other unique things about us is that we're doing this now. We had a successful mission to the International Space Station in April this year, and our second crew for our second mission is training at the moment.
How many missions are the company doing per year?
At the moment, we're trying to do about 2 per year. It's a bit more difficult to do 2 per year right now because there's not a lot of free space in the space station. But in 2024, when we have our own piece of the space station attached there, it becomes a lot easier. And we can run as many missions really as we want. But about 2 per year is what we're aiming for at the moment.
Okay, so thank you so much for telling us your experience, and hope to see you again next year, probably in the Sutus Summit.
Absolute pleasure. It's
Thank
great
you
to
so
be here in
much.
Marbella.